tools I like to use as a press-on nail business owner. For cleaning, number one is hand sanitizer and alcohol. I like to use liquid alcohol because I use the wipes way too fast, and this is just way easier for cleanup to get the pump applicator. I think I got this one off Shein for $1. As for tools, I really like this nail applicator plate. I got it because it looks like Animal Crossing. Next up, I like using a buffing block because I feel like a nail file is too coarse and it scratches too deep of scratches. Then I like to use these stands, the ones that are removable with magnetics. I have the pink ones that aren't removable, but I like these better for nail art. Next up is the 2 combo. It is a flat brush and some top coat. I like using a jar top coat because I go through top coat very fast since I am doing a lot of nails at once. Rhinestone glue and rhinestone plates is a must to separate rhinestones and to apply them. Here I'm showing my favorite nail liner brushes. I like the ones that have the gel and the liner in one. It's better for cleanup, and I think the colors are really pigmented and vibrant. These ones are from Macart. Next up, we're talking packaging. First, I'm going to show you my favorite tape, which is this foam tape. I used to use the red sticky tape, but it was just way too sticky. It got everywhere. Here I'm showing you the red tape. As you can see, there's already a cat hair on there. I just don't like these as much as I like the foam. And I also like it because you can apply the foam sticky and wait until you have an order and just pop them on. It's just a lot less cleanup. And another one that I like is actually these cards from Canvas. You can design your own, and I like them a lot better than the jewelry boxes I used to use. They're more personable, and then you can use cellophane to protect the nails in shipping. I haven't had a problem yet, and I think it just looks so cute and I like it so much.